Allora, we have just arrived here in Alessandro di Camporeale. Amore, turn around. I need you. A picture.
These are very important.
Sure. How many tickets do we get
I
today?
only got 8 tickets.
Wow, is that going to be?
8 glasses, no problem.
Is that going to be enough? It's only for one person. Oh, look, the food stands, the wine. This looks very nice, actually, even though it's kind of a trip to get here. Actually, I like the long dresses.
Tutte e due l'origano? Sì.
Castadella Camporalese. My signature now. Camporeale.